What does a gorilla do? With both hands. Welcome back everyone. I hope you all are following the phonic activity series that I've been doing. If you haven't watched any of those videos, I'll leave the links below. Now once your child is good at the sound games and knows the phonic sounds of different letters, you can do some activities to practice beginning sound recognition, followed by ending and medial sounds, which will be helpful for them to split the sounds when they begin writing a word. In this video, I'll show you some easy activities for practicing beginning sound recognition. You can use the same techniques for ending and medial sounds. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like and share buttons, and please subscribe if you're new here. Also click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. For the first activity, we put things that start with a certain sound in a bag and ask the child to take them out one by one. Every time the child takes out a thing, you can encourage him or her to say the starting sound loud. This is a good way of practicing beginning sound recognition.
Camera.
Yes, camera. Now can you put it under k? Okay.
Corn.
Yes. Corn.
Cup.
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 Yes.
Last one. Crane.
Crane. No, it's not the last one. There are two more things.
Two more things.
Yeah. Crane and
Clip.
clip. What is it?
Clip.
Clip. Okay, now put the clip there.
Now what is inside?
Now there is one more thing inside.
Comb.
Comb.
I found all the things.
Okay, now see. And this is an activity my son suggested. We hid the things inside a rice bin and he picked them out one by one, emphasizing the first sound. The next one is an activity that my son absolutely enjoys doing. I put things with names starting with different sounds in a line. I then kept a basket at a distance, put a letter inside, and asked him to carry something that starts with that sound to the basket in his dump truck. Here he has to sound out each word to see if they start with that particular sound. What letter is this, Arman?
K.
Okay, what starts with K?
Corn.
Okay.
Oh no, dump truck will fall down that ground. Oh no. Stuck on.
What's the next letter?
Yeah.
Here. Okay. Now can you find something that starts with P?
Plane.
Okay.
Oh, plane is really big to carry. Let me go to this. Heavy plane.
Okay, what letter is this?
G.
Okay. Can you find something that starts with G?
Good.
Good. For the third one, I put 2 letters in 2 baskets and things with names starting with these letters next to them. All he has to do is sort them according to their beginning sounds into these baskets. Okay.
Socks. Socks.
Okay.
What came on up?
Okay, now the next one. Okay.
Camera.
Okay, where does camera go? Okay. Okay, now the next one. Mm.
Stone.
Okay.
Bounce to the
What's that?
cap.
Okay.
Now the spoon.
Okay.
Spoon.
Finished?
Yeah.
The next one is a printable activity. You can download this through the link I've given below. All the child has to do is put the starting letter of each word next to its picture. To make it easy for them, put only those letters that they'll need at a time next to them. Okay.
Like this.
Yes.
Now. Carrot.
Yeah. Okay, now next one. Can you take the next page?
Dog. My dog.
Okay.
D.
Where's the...
Now egg.
Okay.
E.
A.
My e.
Yes.
Now flower.
Did you get everything? Finished? Done? Can you put it back in the tray? What is Rolfin's starting sound? The last one is a simple matching activity. If you have flashcards with different pictures on them, you can use them, or you can print out some pictures and laminate them for durability. Lay out the cards and ask the child to put the starting letter on top of the cards. To make it easy for the child, take care not to put letters with similar sounds or shapes together when they are just starting to learn. For example, C and K, B and D, etc. Tiger. Okay. So where's T? Yes. Now what's the next one?
Pineapple.
Okay, so what's the starting sound? Yeah. Okay, now what is the next word?
Umbrella.
So what's the starting sound? Yes. What's the starting sound of gorilla?
Good.
Yes. I hope you all found this video useful. Thanks for watching.